How to use Bybit Leverage Trading quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can do leverage or futures trading on Bybit simply and easily. So let's get into it. Now the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to log on to your Bybit account and you're going to go into your assets. So in your assets, what you want to do is you want to transfer money into your futures account. So what you have to do over here, you will get your assets overview. And what you want to do is you want to transfer it into your USDT derivatives. So that is what you want to do. So you can just click on transfer and you want to transfer it from your spot account into your derivatives account to be able to continue with your futures trading, because your futures wallet is separated from your spot or general wallet, simply because futures trading holds a lot more risk and you will not be able to, minimize that risk unless you have a separate wallet. Now, after that, what you want to do is click on derivatives. And once you click on derivatives, let's say we want to go into USDC derivatives. So these are all the crypto tokens that are available for your derivatives trading. Now, we are over here on BTC Perpetual. If you click on the top left over here, you can switch into any crypto token of your choice. So you have Ethereum, you have XRP, you have Luna, and you have so many other crypto tokens as well. So let's say that I want to continue with BTC Perpetual, and you can see on the left side of your screen, you have a basic graph. From here, you can choose how long you want these statistics to be from. Let's say I want 1 week statistics or 1 day statistics, let's say. And once you select that, you can see on the right side of your screen, these values are the values people are purchasing BTC at, and these are the values people are putting out offers on. So people want to purchase at this specific price. Now, if you go into recent trades, you can also take a look at the most recent trades, or you can just open up your order book to get a overall estimation of the market value. Now, if you scroll down at the bottom, you will have any of your open orders as well. Now, on the right side of your screen, you have all of your actual trading info. So you can see over here that first off you have a limit trade, a market trade, or a conditional trade. Now, a limit trade is a very simple trade where you're going to be able to put in a specific order price, put in the number of crypto tokens you want to buy, and you can choose to purchase or sell at that specific price. Now, what future trading basically entails is that you don't actually own any of the crypto. You actually are betting on the price of the crypto token. So what it basically means is that, let's say I go on ahead and select Ethereum and USDT. Now, if I select Ethereum and USDT, what this basically means is that I can open long or open short. This basically means if I open long, it means that I expect the price of Ethereum to go up, and if I open short, I expect the price of Ethereum to go down. And that is what future trading is basically going to entail for you. It means you're betting on the price of a crypto token. You're not actually purchasing a crypto token. Now, you have open orders or closed orders, and for open orders, they will be placed in the market over here. And you can input the order price. Let's say I expect the price of Ethereum to fall to 1200 USDT. So for that, I will put in the order price, which is going to be 1200. Then I'm going to enter the quantity. So how much money do I want to bet in this? Let's say I want to bet 2 Ethereum. Then you will scroll down and you will have buy long or sell short. And you can check these marks called take profit, stop loss. Now, what this basically means is that if your trade is not going as predicted, you can choose to take profit and stop loss at a certain percent. So let's say I want to sell short because obviously I'm expecting the price to go down, and I will sell short with the take profit stop loss, and I want to take my profit as soon as the price goes down to 1200, and I want to stop loss as soon as the price hits 1390. Now you can see this is going to be the trigger price, and as soon as the trigger price is hit, the trade will begin. And you can also choose to leverage in futures trading, but this is the basic trade. Once you do that, you're just going to click on open short and your order will be put in. And then below that, you also have your amount and contract details. Now, after that, you can put in a market order and order a specific number of ETH and just put in open short or open long. And then you have conditional trades as well. This will only be activated when the trigger price is reached, and you can use this to take profits and stop losses and have, a basic stable kind of futures trade. Now, if you take a look at cross or margin to a 10x or 2x, whatever you might want to call it. Now, cross and isolated are two different types of trades. In cross, all the available balance that you have will basically be put in to maintain the requirements that are present and prevent liquidation. However, in a isolated trade, a specific amount of money will be applied to the specific position. So let's say you have $10,000 and you have 3 open trades out there, such as one is for Ethereum, one is for Bitcoin, and one is for Cardano. And what a isolated trade will do is that it will equally distribute your money into all of these specific trade positions. And this will allow you to manage all your positions at once. All of your positions will be deploying a similar amount of funds, while a cross trade will usually, take all of your $10,000 to meet a open trade. So let's say you have 3 trades, like as I said previously, you have Cardano, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, and they will invest all of your $10,000 to meet the trade requirements. So that is another thing that you might want to keep in mind when using cross trading. However, if you do isolated trades, I do find that you do mitigate a lot of the risk using isolated trades. Now, you can also leverage money, which is one of the main focuses of futures trading. So you can choose to leverage short or leverage long, and you can choose the amount that you want to leverage. Now, what does leverage mean? Leverage means that if I'm betting $5,000 on Ethereum right now, and if I leverage that 2 times, that means I'm actually betting $10,000. Now, what this actually entails is that this would mean that if my trade goes wrong or if my trade is proven incorrect, it will actually liquidate or take the $5,000 out of my futures wallet and I will be liquidated. So that is, the main risk of futures trading. And leverage is something that you don't want to risk in the start. Keep your leverage to 2 times or 3 times at the start because that is going to be more than enough. Make sure these are small trades. Don't try to overdo with futures trading because it can be very, very risky and has very high liquidation risks. So from here, now you can begin placing out your orders. You also have copy trading options on Bybit. So if you click on copy trading over here, you can copy trade in the futures market and you can see all of the top trade masters and see their average APR or the ROI and the number of days that they got this ROI in, and you can choose to copy some of their trades as well. Now, don't go with extreme numbers like 50% or anything like that because those are often unrealistic or too risky trades. And if you take a very large risky trade, even if it's a copy trade or your own trade, you have high liquidation risks and it might just not always work out in your favor. Now, you can see over here, if we go back into our trading platform, we can, let's say just for a sample order, I want to put in a market trade, a limiting trade, and I expect the price to go up. So I want to put in a trade, which is 1350, and I will put in 1 Ethereum. And I don't want to put in the take profit stop loss, and I want to go on ahead and open long over here. And now you can see I currently don't have balance in my account. This is just a sample trade, but so on and so forth. You can place your own futures trades as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with futures trading on the Bybit platform and you're able to do leverage trading. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.